Introduction. There are many stay-at-home moms that dream of making extra money from home while they are taking care of their children. This really can be a reality if you approach it right. There are several cases of stay-at-home moms making significant amounts of money online with internet marketing. The good thing is that you can find the time to develop your online business with the help of your family and maybe even friends. You will need to be dedicated to your online business to make it a success, and you will have a lot of learning to do if you are new to internet marketing. Building a successful online business is a very rewarding and satisfying thing to do. You can be very proud to have created something from scratch that creates income for you and your family regularly, even when you are sleeping. There are several great reasons to get involved, as you will discover in this training. In this training, you will discover the different online business models that you can choose from, how to choose the right niche to be in so you have maximum profit potential, how to create your very first website, and how to get visitors to it so that you can make money. We have left no stone unturned in this training. Everything that you need to get started with internet marketing as a stay-at-home mom is here for you. We will guide you step by step through your exciting journey. So, our advice is to go through this training all the way to the end first, and then go back to the start and begin taking action. Just taking this training will achieve nothing. You need to take action if you want to be an internet marketing success. We wish you every success in internet marketing.